What if you knew your child wouldn't wet the bed? What would be different? How would your kids and your life be different? Maybe you would finally be able to take that long car ride across country to visit a friend without the fear that your child could fall asleep at any moment and have an accident. And then, once you got there, you could stay overnight for as many nights as you wanted, with your child sleeping in a nice, warm bed without having to buy your host new sheets or clean up a mess. Your child could finally have sleepovers at friends' houses, no more made-up excuses about why he or she can't stay over to avoid the embarrassment of the truth. Whatever it means for you or for your child to wake up with dry sheets, we want to help you get there. Please attend our upcoming workshop, Putting Bedwetting to Bed, on Tuesday, July 15th at 11:30 a.m. This is going to be a live Google Hangout online. If you'd like to register or want to find out more information, please go to dotycairo.com/bedwetting.